Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some creme fraiche. Homemade sour cream with a little kick. Stick with me. Let's do this. Alright. Real simple and easy. All you need is a clean jar. I got 16 ounces of some heavy whipping cream. Pour that in there. And to give this tanginess, going in with some buttermilk, about a cup. Yeah, just finish this off. About a cup worth of a little bit more. First step is to let it sit out 24 hours at room temperature. See you back here 24 hours. Okay, day 2. Starting to thicken up a little bit. Time to go in the refrigerator. Alright, 24 hours of being in the refrigerator. And she's ready. We did 24 hours sitting on cabinet at room temperature, then we put it in the fridge, and this has actually been 48 hours. Sorry, I left town for a couple of days, so regardless, look how thick and creamy that is. Awesome. We're gonna call that a success. Now, that was 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of buttermilk. It's got to be cultured buttermilk, low fat and not reduced fat. For some reason, the reduced fat, I believe, does not have the culture in it. So you need that to get the process going. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. And also, this will last at least 2 weeks in your refrigerator, so you don't have to make as much, but that's what I had going today. So you can go, say, a cup of the heavy cream and a half cup of the buttermilk, and it'll do the same thing for you. So stick around for the next one.